Let's determine whether the pair of lines is parallel, perpendicular, or neither. We'd like to get each of our equations into the slope-intercept form by isolating y on one side of the equation. So for our first equation, 2y is equal to 3x plus 12, and we also have a second equation, 3y equals 2x minus 5, we'd like to get y by itself. So let's divide this first one through by 2. Both sides we'll have 3/2 x, and we'll also divide 12 by 2 and get 6. We have this now in the slope-intercept form, so we'll move along to equation 2. We'll divide both sides of this equation by 3. Y is equal to 2/3 x minus 5/3. We now have both equations in the slope-intercept form. We're ready to compare the slopes and make our decision. We'll label our first slope, again being the coefficient of the x term, as 3/2. Slope of our line number 2, coefficient of the x is 2/3. Looking at these two slopes, to be parallel, they would have to be identical. They'd have to be equal, and they're not. By definition of perpendicular lines, we would need these slopes to be negative reciprocals. Neither one of these is negative, so it doesn't fit the definition for perpendicular lines. So we're ready to go ahead and decide that these two lines are neither. They are neither parallel nor are they perpendicular. So they're neither.